This week on Daddy Jeep Garage, we're at the McKean County Fair hosting our first ever Jeep night. We have an obstacle course set up with some different challenges. I built an RTI ramp. We're going to try a balance beam challenge, and then we also have a speed portion, which hopefully some of these guys are going to send it and get some air. Send it.
That's how you do it, folks. There in the suspension. Rolling up through there pretty easy here.
Yep.
Let's see if it gets a little more challenging for them. Not bad, looking good. Take another approach. Get a little more here. Whoa! Almost.
Keep in it. Keep in it.
Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, giveaway on that one. Pushing your second one. There we go. He's getting ready to round the tire. He's sliding around the turn, going through our little bumps here at the end. Oh, yeah, he's working that suspension. Here we go. Here we go. Way to go, DJ. All right, he's approaching our first obstacle here. We got a ledge for him to climb up. Looks like that looks pretty easy. Coming up to the next oval here. Oh, a little bit of slippery.
Got to stay between the lines. Front diff. There you go.
All right, this second attempt coming up over. All right. Did a good job on that one. Good. All right, here we go for our second obstacle. Yeah! Did a nice job for that. Whoa. It's definitely making it tough on the guys here. If we get how far off we can get? See what kind of suspension he's got on his Jeep. Oh, he's looking for the
hold on.
off the ground over here, folks. Let's hear it, folks. Come on. Oh, he's got the roosters going. Oh, got a little off track there. Go around our first turn through our next jump. All right, let's see if he can get it sideways, go around our tire. All right, as he approaches our back stretch there, got some bumps, some moguls for him to go over. All right, let's cheer him out as he comes across the finish line. Way to go, Chad. All right. See how you do on this one? Up on it. Nice job. Nice job, man. All right. Very nicely done. Looks like you're doing pretty good with them. See if you can get some momentum up.
I back up a little bit more. A little bit more. Right there. Passenger. There you go. Good job. Ready.
It's tough out there with a tire. can do it. Come on, Matt.
There you go.
There you go. We got the...
Yeah, just go to the RTI.
That might be the challenge to beat tonight, folks.
So you know how to do an RTI? You go until a tire comes off the ground.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're lined up good there.
All right, let's see how it goes on our arch. Oh,
Slippery stuff.
there. Like a different approach.
Caught on the ramp.
All right, let's figure this line. Let's see how Bryson can do here. Oh, yeah.
Passenger back up. Other way. Other way. Passenger. Other passenger. There you go. And back up. Guess that's probably about it.
All right, here we go. Oh, you got some air on that one. Oh, almost missed the first turn. All right, through our second jump. Round the tire, there he goes. Heading into our little moguls here. Oh, he's got some speed on it. Oh, he's got it ready to go.
That's it.
Get that back. Alright, he's giving everything he's got. He's a little sideways, up over. Oh, we got a little air on that one. Oh, almost missed the first turn. There he goes. Getting ready to round our next tire. Let's see what he can do around this next set of moguls. Oh, he's got a little speed there, folks. Oh, yeah, he just bounced it right through. Here we go.
Need to give her more than that.
Or give them a couple
job.
Let's go there, Mike. All right, he's rolling into the beginning here. Making it look pretty easy. Steering his way through. Looking good. All right.
Nice. Good job.
Good job there, Mike. There we go. He tried hard. I think I felt the butt over here. Into our first jump here. Oh yeah! All right, right into our next second jump. Up and over that. Getting ready to run around our tire there. He's making the turn. All right, here we go. Let's see what kind of speed he get in our moguls. A little easier on him than other drivers so far, but here we go. Let's go. Let's go, Mike. Go! Way to go!
Yeah, don't slide off the side of that.
What's that?
Don't slide off the side of that.
I'd rather not.
Yeah, back off of that. Turn passenger and back up. Hold on. Hold on. Stay where you are.
You're sitting on the brake.
All right, it's time to roll into the first lap there. Make it look pretty easy. Got the pretty good articulation going on there. First jump there, up and over, hit the first turn. All right, here comes the second jump, up and over it, rounding our tire there, keeping it tight, looking good. All righty, moving into our little set of moguls here. All right, made that look easy. Here he goes. Here he goes. Here's the time.
So that was it. That was our event for the first year at the McKean County Fair. I think we put on a pretty good show. I wish we would have had a few more Jeeps there, but the rain right before the show held quite a few guys home. But these are our winners. We're going to start from the left. We have Ivan Easton. He's the first place finisher in our modified class. Next to him with the other trophy is Chet Tanner. He was our first place winner in our stock class. And then we have Matt Orris, who was our second place winner in the stock class. And then finally on the right is Mike Travis, who was our second place modified winner. Thanks for hanging in there watching, guys. This was a good time putting this event on, and we will definitely be doing it again next year. Hit that like button, subscribe. We'll see you next time.